I was sitting at a cafe, staring out the window, dreaming of a love like fire. Every moment led me to something, but I never could get higher. I was thinking one day maybe it happened. I believe in the magic, but fairy tales are lies. Mama always said, remember, do good, stay classy. Forget the things that just don't matter, and you'll be happy. It might not be.
Hey everyone, and welcome back. I know it's been a while since you heard my voice, and I was actually supposed to get this video out like 2 or 3 weeks ago, but I've been a very busy lady lately, so I still want to thank MelodySusie for sending me this amazing product. I'm just showing you all of their socials. That it's a card that came in the bag, and I am doing an unboxing of this SM200F nail drill. It's their S series drill that have all kinds of different things that are amazing about it. There was also a bundle deal, and I don't know if the bundle deal is still going on, but they have been doing things for their 15th anniversary throughout the entire year. So congratulations to MelodySusie on your 15 years in business. They have very amazing products, and they always come with rave reviews, so I was really excited to get this nail drill. I will compare it to the one that I currently use, and it's such a big difference. Here is the instruction manual. I do let you look over this a little bit just to get an idea of the different things in the manual. And I also like the fact that they include like what the different drill bits mean, because this drill also comes with extra goodies. That is one of the things I really love about MelodySusie products, is they always come with basically everything you need to get started, especially if you are a beginner, and their stuff is pretty affordable. So if you can catch a good deal or a sale on their website, yeah. So as you can see from the box, it's a pretty small, and this drill, when I say it is lightweight, I mean it is lightweight. It comes packaged very well. Everything is wrapped nice and neatly, and then underneath you have everything that you need to charge the drill. I love the fact that it came with the little extra plug-in, just in case you don't have one. I know those are always a necessity in my house. And the fact that I also really like the cord. I really like the quality of the cord. And then there's the little side part that goes on the side to hold your handpiece and things like that. So we will be getting into that a little bit later. But they did give you a ceramic bit, which I really love because I use those to take down product. And then they also give you a really nice metal drill bit and our carbide bit. And I really love that. And I love the fact that it's rainbow colored. And then of course, a nice little kit for some cuticle work. And these sanding bands, I would not use them on my natural nails, but they look like they'd be really good to help shape some product as well. Maybe like 80 grit, they look pretty coarse. So again, I would not use those on my natural nail. But let's go ahead and get into the nail drill and some of the functions. And it's very easy, and normally I don't peel this sticker off the front. I like to leave it on because I like to keep my things as nice as possible for as long as I can. But this was just so sleek looking and gorgeous. I was like, I can't have anything wrong with it, or not wrong, but I just wanted it to look nice. It's very aesthetically pleasing. It's this really pretty pastel pink with the gold trim, and I love that. So on the top you have your on off, and also how to turn your speed up and down, your RPMs. I love the fact that it comes with a clip on the back as well. So if you wear an apron and you're constantly using your drill all day, you can clip it on your apron and things like that. I really love this little side piece. This side piece holds the hand piece, and the way that I store my nail drill, which you will also see later on in this video, it really comes in handy for me. So really, really like that. This hand piece is so lightweight. It is, I'm not even kidding. Like, it is so easy to handle. It feels really good in your hand. So this is my previous nail drill handpiece, and you can just see the difference in the size of it, and the yellow one is super heavy, and so I am very pleased with this handpiece from MelodySusie because I just love it. It's very sleek, again, very beautiful, and I love the more of like the matte finish. It doesn't look plasticky or anything like that. You could tell that it's made of a really good quality metal. And then of course it has the little part where you can turn that little gold piece, and that's how you lock and unlock your drill bit to change it out. So yeah, I like the fact it doesn't have like that little rubber thing where you just pull your drill bit in and out. So really high quality. And then of course you're going to plug in your cord to the top of the nail drill, and then the other side attaches to the end of your handpiece, and that is how you get power to your handpiece. So again, the cord is really nice. You could tell it's not going to get tangled very easy. It doesn't come apart very easy, even though it's flexible, and I really like that. So yeah, again, like the gold buttons and even the screen is really nice. So now we're going to go ahead and get into playing with this nail drill, and I'm going to let you listen to it. This is a mechanical device, so of course it does sound a little bit loud, but here I'm just playing with it a little bit more. So my handheld or my rechargeable handheld nail drill, it holds whatever speed you have it at. So like if you turn it off at, 5,000 RPMs, when you turn it on, it's at 5,000, and then you have to push play to start it. This nail drill does not retain the memory of the speed that you were at, but it is very easy to operate and function and put it in forward and reverse and different things like that. So, and then this is my previous nail drill. And I thought I showed you the difference between how loud each one of them sounds, but apparently I did not record that. But this yellow nail drill is way louder than my MelodySusie nail drill. And like I said, it's way more heavy. You can see it's a lot bigger. It's, it's just, yeah, no good. But it is my OG, and I will be keeping it as extra because this thing has lasted me like forever. The last 3 years I've been using it. But you can see it's really bulky. I lost a little thing on the side that holds the handpiece, so I have to put my handpiece in a completely separate area of this little holder that I have, and I have to undo the cord and different things like that. But this MelodySusie one just fits so well, and I love the fact that the handpiece can fit next to it. And yeah, you can definitely tell the difference in the size, showing you here in this little holder that I have. And I don't even have to take it out of the holder. I can just take the handpiece out, turn my nail drill on, and go from there. It feels like very Miss Susie, like nail career education-ish, like how she always keeps it in that little holder on her desk, But I can do that now without having to, make a big mess or have my nail drill and falling off my desk and things like that. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's review, and thank you so much for being the best part of my channel, and I will see you in my next video.